What a fine day for science.
Science is beautiful, intricate yet simple, groundbreaking, moving forward, little incremental pieces at a time. One need not be brilliant to advance science. You can think of me like Severus Snape, or Isaac Newton, for that matter. I do not like to repeat myself, and I prefer to seclude myself for 6 months at a time, researching and experimenting with concocting the ultimate or master ketogenic formula. The man behind the curtain prefers to stay behind the curtain. Everything has its place, and everything takes what time it takes. If you want to go 1,000 miles, take a single step to begin. If you cannot take a step, take an inch. If you can't move an inch, move a hair. Let us begin. I am Mr. Science. You can call me Mr. Science. I'm going to teach you about the science. The facts, hard numbers, cold hard truth. Numbers, ones and zeros. Mostly zeros.
Weird science?
No. Not the weird science. Ketosis may be the next stage of human evolution. We may live better, be stronger, faster, more cognitively agile than previous versions, especially in the example of Subject 728. I encourage you to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps me feed Subject 728. I'm on a tight schedule today, so it is best we move right along. The trains must stay on time. The trains must always stay on time. Back to the topic at hand, I am very busy with research and experiments. There is a secret to why ketosis is so powerful. The secret of what gives ketosis its power, its energy, its kilowatts. It's called autophagy. Autophagy is the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells in order to regenerate new cells. Auto means self. Phagy means to eat. So autophagy literally means self-eating. Say it with me. Autophagy. Autophagy is so powerful that in rat studies, when autophagy was inhibited, most all of the benefits of ketosis were nullified as well. It is my ultimate desire to create the ultimate ketogenic formula, to which I've had a willing test subject specimen 728, that you've seen running around here somewhere there very enthusiastically. You may know specimen 728 by another name, Mickey. Mickey has shown himself to be marginally useful, as out of the hundreds of my test subjects, he's the only one that has survived to this point. In my search for the perfect ketogenic formula, there have been many, as one would say, broken eggs. One must break a few eggs in order to make a cake. Wait, you don't even know what ketosis is? He was supposed to teach you. Perhaps specimen 728 has outlived his usefulness. Ketosis is a metabolic state in which fat provides most of the fuel for the body. It happens when there is limited access to glucose, aka blood sugar. Ketosis is often associated with ketogenic or very low-carb diets. So as ketosis goes up, uses of fat burning of ketones goes up, glucose, blood sugar usage goes down. Ketones are by far more useful and efficient when it comes to performance, both mental and physical of all kinds. There are a slew of other benefits. The ketones themselves burn far cleaner than the glucose does in the body. And keep in mind that the burning of fat and the burning of sugar, they are two processes that work in tandem in the body. But the more you start burning fat, the less generally you'll start burning glucose, and vice versa. When there is a great deal of sugar in your blood, you will burn little to no fat because the body's default mechanism is to go towards the sugar. It is said that in the summer, when our species was first evolving, that is when we would be able to eat fruit, carbohydrates, those sorts of things were plentiful. Our ancestors were able to survive the cold, harsh winters and starvation because of eating in the summer, but then in the winter, when sugar would go, our species would become much more lean, sharp, robust. In the winters, our species would have much more difficult time finding food, and as a result, would need to burn the fat stores that were saved. Ketosis would rise, and glucose, blood sugar, would fall. Now you understand. You can see its great power. Ketosis. You can live lean and vibrant lives. With subject 728, for example, he can eat keto food all day and still have six-pack abs and never gain weight. This is in stark contrast to what he looked like before.
Hey, Mr. Science, are you enjoying talking with our fans?
Subject 728, get back here this instant. I do not conversate with the general populace. I do not conversate at all.
I'm on the hunt for new keto foods.
You should come back now. You already have 337 choices of keto foods. You do not need any more.
How about 338 choices then? I see something tasty. Anyway, talk to you later.
Subject 728. Subject 728. Though the test was a success. His energy has gone up, enthusiasm, everything. It has also made him more difficult to control. Something I did not foresee. Now, if you excuse me, I need to locate subject 728 and put him back in his habitat. You may go now.